Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money online promoting CLICKBANK or any other affiliate networks product on TikTok without a website. Now if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝗂𝗿 and today I'm going to be your guide. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video and also share it to your friends. Now let's get straight into the video. If you're new to affiliate marketing and you don't know what CLICKBANK is an affiliate network that you can get offers that you can promote and make money online when somebody buys that product you're promoting through your affiliate link. Now, if you don't have a CLICKBANK account, just go to www.clickbank.com. You'll be brought to this website here. On this website, if you don't have an account, click on this Start Here button. But if you have an account, just click on the login button. So let's log into our account. Now, once you log into your CLICKBANK account, you just need to come to this place which says Marketplace. Click on the link here. It will bring you to this page here. On this page, what you need to do is to click on Top Offers. Now, once the page loads, you can find so many offers here. So this is CLICKBANK's Marketplace where you can find offers that you can promote as an affiliate and make money when somebody buys the product you're promoting. So in this video, we are going to focus on the make money online niche. You can repeat the same process for the weight loss niche, the health niche, or the survivor niche, the meditation niche, any kind of niche. You can repeat the same step here, but here in this video, we're going to be focused on the make money online, which is the e-business and marketing category on CLICKBANK. So here, just scroll down. So when you scroll down here, we can find this category which says e-business and marketing. So just click on it. Then you can see offers in that category here. So here we can scroll down. We're looking for an offer that pays a high ticket commission. Okay, so this is too much, but let's just see something else that is okay for us. Let's just see. Just scroll down. Let's see. So I'll go to the next page here, because what you're using is free traffic. So I think this is a better offer. Perpetual income. So this is a good offer. You see, this specific offer pays $500 per sale, which is this you're seeing here, average conversion, which is this. So it pays $500 per sale. What you need to do is just get your affiliate link. So click on promote here. Then the traffic source which you're going to, it has multiple landing pages here, but let's just use the default here. So the traffic source you're going to be using today is TikTok. So just type TikTok as the tracking ID here. Why? Because so that when somebody buys, we want to know that actually the sale came from our link on TikTok, so that we can be able to track things very well. Now here, click on create hop link here to generate your affiliate link. Then you copy this link, you paste it on Notepad to save it there so that you can use it later. Okay, so once we have it on Notepad, then I can just come here and close. So let's see if this specific offer has affiliate tools that we can use. Let's open this. Okay, it has. This is the JV page. But I want you to understand something here. One thing with affiliate marketing is there are so many strategies you can use. This is just one of the strategies I'm showing you here. So this is a beginner-friendly strategy that is going to make you money and also help you build your audience in the long term. So you can keep making money passively every single month once you get it dialed down, which is the process. So here, let's just scroll down. Let's see. This is it. If you want to join their email list, you can also join it to get a 10% commission bump, which is an increase in commission. So here we can see all this here. Let's see what's here. Okay, this is just showing you the statistics. So just showing you all this. Anyways, so let's just scroll up. Okay, so in order to get it to that, I think we need to subscribe. So let's just see. Let me just put my email here. Okay, so here you can see your email swipes, you can see banners and every other single thing here. You can also view the landing pages here if you need them. But don't worry, we won't be needing all this. I don't think we won't be needing all this here, because I want to show you like a method that you can use to promote all this. You know, we've gotten the affiliate link now. Now we've seen the offer. You created an account with CLICKBANK. You've gotten an offer, your affiliate link. So let's go over to the traffic source. So let me show you how to generate thousands of free traffic to this your offer, which is the offer you're promoting, which is perpetual income. So here, first of all, what you need to do is to go over to TikTok. So just go to TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok account, create a TikTok account. It is free to create a TikTok account. So once you go over to TikTok, you create an account, set up your profile very well. It's very easy, all these things to do. So once you set up your profile, now in order to get the videos which you're going to be uploading to TikTok, except you can create the videos. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the video so that you can see. All you just need to see, model how they did the video. You can also use their script to do the video, but just model how they did the video. It's very easy to do. Just, if you have a mobile phone, just paste it to your, like, you can use the front camera, just paste it to yourself and, talk to the camera and like about the subject which you're trying to teach the person watching the video. Then you add your call to action in the video. So here in our video, you're using the make money online niche. So we'll type make money online. Let's see what's going to come out. So let's see. Just click on search here. Okay, here you can see so many videos here. I think this is a video. You can see the number of views. You can see all this. So what you want to do is just download these videos and re-upload it. So you just come here. Let's see this video now. You can see earn $100 per hour by. Okay, so this is a good content for YouTube. So you can simply watch this video and see what the creator is actually doing. Then you can do it yourself. You want your own to be unique, or you can simply follow this process, download this video and re-upload this video on your own TikTok account. So here, in order to get the video, just copy this link here. Don't close this page for now because we're going to use all these tags here. Just copy this link here. Then come over to this website, which is this website here you're seeing here. Then you paste the link here. Then you click on download. So what you do is this same step, this same process, you keep repeating it every single day. You can upload 5 a day, you can upload 10 a day, but just keep repeating it every single day so that you can get a stable. You need to be consistent so you can get a stable result and also like a very good result, so you can make good amount of money using this strategy. So here you can see so just download it without the watermark, that TikTok watermark. So you can download the video without the watermark there. There you just click on download. So just wait for it to download. Okay, so once you're done downloading the video, what you need to do is to go back to your own TikTok account. So I don't want to close this page for now because I want to show you something later. So I'll just open this in a new tab. Like I'll duplicate the page. Then here I'll just open this here, my profile. So I'll just go to my profile here, which is your own profile in your own case. Okay, so once you're here, you just need to click on this upload here. You can see how I just put the link here because you can see this account is still small. No much follower here because you need to get up to 1,000 followers for you to be able to add your link here on TikTok. But I just put it and ask them to copy and paste. So if they're interested, you just copy and paste the link in their browser in order to get to the landing page where they can give me their email. But that is a different strategy altogether. But here in your case, you can just, instead of using a landing page, since you don't have a website, you just put your affiliate link there where you're setting up your profile by clicking on this edit button here, type your text there, then put your link there. But the link you should put there shouldn't be your CLICKBANK link. Rather, you should use your CLICKBANK link. Go to bit.ly.com, then shorten that link. So once you shorten that link, then you can add it here in your profile so that when they click on it, you take them to CLICKBANK. But don't put that CLICKBANK raw ugly link here, else you won't get conversions. Okay, so once you're here, you just need to click on this upload here. So let me find that video. I don't know the video. So I'll just type it to so this is the video here. So I'll just put this here. Then click on open. So here now in the caption, that's why I said don't close this page. Here I'll just copy this here. Then I'll come back here and I'll paste it here. Okay. So once you do it, just allow it to upload. In the meantime, you can just get your affiliate link. Let me just show you the process so you don't make mistakes. So this is your affiliate link. I think so. This is your affiliate link here. So I'll just close this here. Then go to bit.ly.com. Now once you do this, you just scroll down here, just paste the link here, then shorten it. Now you copy the link here, you come back to TikTok. Okay, so this one has finished uploading. Now what you can do is just pause the video. Let's see. Okay, so then I'll go back to my profile here. Now here on this page, you just click on this edit here. Then here where you see, after putting your bio text here, then this space here, this specific page, you replace it with your text here might be different depending on the offer. So this is for my specific case, but you can just spend the time to craft your text here. So here, just paste your link here. That your link you copy from Bit.ly now, just paste it here and click on save. That is all you need to do here. So this is how, just repeat this step. You can see here I'm doing it so just repeat this step every single day, just keep repeating. You're going to see the result with your account because that's worked for me and it's working for thousands of people out there. It's still going to work for you too if you put in the work to do this. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. You're actually going to put in the work to do this because unless you're running ads, you want to do the free way, you're going to spend your time in doing all this to build your audience and also in order to make money. Now, if you're looking for a proven online business to start right now, and make money online, check in the description below. You'll see a link there to get my free blueprint that made me 7 figures selling other people's product without having to do customer service support or even know who is buying the product or even who owns the product. So just check the link in the description below and grab that blueprint. Now, if you have any questions for me and you need me to do something, maybe clarify something, or don't forget to use this comment box below to type your questions. And if there's a video you want me to create, don't worry, just type it there. I'm going to look at it there, answer your questions, and also take your video topics into consideration when creating the next video. So I hope you found value in this video, and if you did that, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like this video. And I thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.